All right, hi everyone. My name is Ayub, and this is going to be a short video. I just want to say that I have read every Hormozi book, the 100 million offers, 100 million leads, and these are by far the best business books you can read if you want to start a business or if you want to find customers to buy your product. I love what Alex does. I believe he's one of the best business people in our generation. And so what I did basically is I took notes on what I have learned from the books, and also I created for myself to help me organize everything I learned and to take action on it. I created some Excel sheets with all the information I got from the book, basically, mainly the practical, actually, the exercises in the workbooks that need to be done in order for me to execute step by step and make it easier for me. I believe this is extremely valuable. I organized it in a way that you can literally go to see the exercise and do the thing. You just have to fill up the table or the Google Docs, and then you're good to go. In no time, you're gonna have your offer ready. You're gonna have list of all your leads. You're gonna have your copy for the ad or the content strategy as well. So without further ado, I'm gonna go one by one and show you what you can do. So let's get it started. First, I put this one master Google Doc for 100 million offers. Basically, these are course links from Alex's website, acquisition.com, and the link to the resource. So I just made it a little bit more convenient. And then this is where the nuggets are. The 100 million offer template. So basically here, you start with picking a niche, yeah? So you find the market, you find the sub niches here, levels, and this is based on the workbook, yeah? Next step is offer creation. So for the offer creation, you find all the problems, you have to find all the possible solutions, the delivery vehicles, and then you have to fill these delivery vehicles. Yeah, you have to see here one-on-one, small group, one-to-many, do it yourself, do it for you, do it with you, support, types of support, consumption, speed, and convenience. Then you have 10x test, the 1/10 test as well, the cost, the value. I'm not going to tell you what is that because you have to read the books and find out yourself. This is just a support to help you after reading the book. Then the pricing, the bonuses here, all the checklist for the bonuses, checklist for the guarantees, scarcity and urgency, and the naming as well. All right. Next, I put a summary with, the exercises for the 100 million leads. You can have all of it here. And then the Google Sheets for the 100 million leads. So here you're going to have your warm outreach list. Basically here with where you found them, the email, phone, Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, something personal about it, status, and here you can count. For example, here you have the formula, you can just count how many you got from each list. Next, the cold outreach. So you have the name, contact, the source, broker, scraping tool, manual search, something personal about them, the status. Then you have the ads content. This is the formula as well, the call out, the value, the CTA. What, who, when. Again, I'm not going to tell you about this. Go read the book. Referrals. This is the referrals template. Affiliates. Where do they buy? What do they buy? What do they like to do? And then here, a list as well of all the companies, the email. So you have everything you need to organize yourself. Last but not least, the content creation flow. So here you have step by step how to create your content. And so that's about it. And go buy the books, go buy the workbook, the full book as well. It's extremely insightful, so practical, great stories. If you read these books, within 1 month, you're going to have your business started. You're going to have your first clients. And I just want to say thank you to Alex. And you're going to find the link in the description. And please subscribe for more business content as well. I'd love to see you, to have your feedback as well, what you like about the sheets. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and see you later.